We have so many tools in our tool belt, and I always start off with the very basics. Then for me, I take it like a tier-wise approach. So we talked about the basic tests, and now it is really important to get your base solid, because then guess what? If you're still not feeling better, then you can dive in a little deeper. So if someone is still not feeling well, then we investigate even deeper, and I will check a more in-depth testing for looking for like zebras. And that is like looking for chronic infections, or could it be food sensitivities or intolerances like eggs, nuts, and legumes. And if you really want to start, I start like a GAPS introduction diet without dairy, and that is super important because guess what? You can also check food sensitivity testing that will check for IgEs and IgGs, and other things that you can consider is toxins in your body, mouth, dental work. For your environmental testing, like we can test for mold, we can test for methylation issues, small intestinal bacterial overgrowth, and we can also do like specialized testing to figure out if you do have small intestinal bacterial overgrowth, or called SIBO. The list goes on and on, because if you do that test, then you can see what kind of an antibiotic can eradicate it. Then we also can check for nutrient deficiencies, because that can play a huge role on how you feel. Checking for mold. Remember that, like we just said that, like the list goes on and on. The possibilities are endless. And we as holistic physicians have so many amazing tools on our tool belt that can help you heal. So because that's the testing alone. Then we can add integrative modalities like supplements, homeopathics, acupressures, chiropractic medicine, aromatherapy. The list goes on and on and on. And it can just help you further adjunct your health to healing. Remember, always talk to your professional to discuss this further. But there's so much hope. There's so many possibilities. So never lose hope. And guess what? There's so much that you can do to optimize your health, and we can figure this out together.